Hey everyone, welcome back to How to Web. Here's how to fix the application hand detected error in Fortnite. Start by verifying the game files in Epic Files. Open the library, click the three dots next to Fortnite, and select Verify. Next, update your graphic driver through Device Manager or your GPU software, as outdated drivers can cause hangs. Disable background apps that consume high memory, like browsers or antivirus software. Also ensure Windows is updated by checking settings and Windows updates, as missing updates can lead to compatibility issues. Finally, try running Fortnite as an administrator by right-clicking the game software and selecting Run as Administrator. These steps should resolve the issue. Thank you for watching How to Web. Like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides.